Welcome back. Whether you are creating a model from scratch or you have inherited a model and simply want to run it, you will need a way to access plant simulation. In this video, I will tell you a couple of different ways you can get plant simulation. Let's start with where to download a copy. All links will be provided at the end of this video. First, the trial version of Plant Simulation gives you access equal to PlantSim X Advanced. Advanced access is very expensive, but the trial version is free. The downside is that it's temporary. Next, there are more permanent options such as Plant Simulation X Essentials and Standard. I would only recommend these if you are planning on building models. They do have some limitations on the number of objects. If you are a student, you can obtain a very light version of PlantSim. I would only recommend this if you are a student and you just want to explore PlantSim. Access is very limited. Lastly, if you need to run PlantSim because you have a model already, you don't need to have PlantSim to do this. If you have inherited a model, the developer of the model needs to create a pack-and-go executable. This can be done rather simply inside of PlantSim by going to File, then Share, and choosing Pack and Go. This will create an executable that a modeler can provide. If none of these options work for you, please reach out to us at simulationdynamics.com and we can find a solution that works for you. Thanks for watching.